Buenos días, Carrera.
Customers can track their orders online. Online, they can track mostly where their pieces are at the moment. They can also track for like invoices if they want to look up invoices from the past.
They can see if an order is not ready, they can see what table the order is at, if it's in a wax station. If it says RTB, that means it's ready to bill, they can pick it up.
They can also check their invoices, see previous invoices for up to 6 months.
And they can also pay when they pick up their merchandise. They can pay either cash or credit card or checks.
And there's also some customer prefers to pay by ACH payment, and they can do that, and they can also do wire transfer.
Customers can create an account online by going to our website, carreracasting.com. They'll be able to register as a new customer or pre-existing. Once the customer is registered online, they can check their orders in-house live to the minute, from down to the wax room, to it coming off the flask, to it going on the printer.
Customer can get pricing for digital files. They upload it to our website on DigiFabster, and they'll be able to get an error quote for it.
We do have a lot of customers that are completely fresh, newborns, we'll say, and we do have our nursing home department that will walk them through every single step of the way. That'll explain to them what our part of the casting house takes care of, and then pretty much give them a little training wheels along the way.
Only at Carrera.